Are you tired of dealing with dry, breaking hair that just won't retain moisture or grow? It's time to give your strands some much needed TLC with the ultimate method to deep conditioning for healthy hair. This simple yet very effective method will provide your hair with maximum moisture so that your hair can begin to thrive and grow. Deep conditioning is a crucial step in any hair care routine as it helps to replenish moisture and restore health and vitality to your strands. Deep conditioning also helps to rebuild and strengthen weakened hair to prevent damage and breakage. Now, I know this is not a video about shampooing, but here I'm just showing you that before you deep condition, you must start with freshly shampooed hair. Let me remind you that moisture is the key to healthy hair. Deep conditioning is very important because it infuses moisture deep into your strands. It is a vital step in your hair care routine that holds benefits long past shampoo day. Let me give you just a few benefits of deep conditioning. Deep conditioning restores moisture. One of the most notable benefits of deep conditioning is its ability to replenish moisture in parched and damaged hair. Your precious locks are constantly exposed to a range of external factors, including the use of direct heat, combing and brushing, and styling the hair, and more. Those have the potential to deplete its natural hydration, resulting in brittle and fragile strands that are susceptible to breakage. However, deep conditioning treatments work their transforming wonders by saturating your hair with a surge of much needed moisture, saturating your hair with deep hydration, and effectively replenishing lost moisture and rejuvenating your strands to a state of health and vitality. Deep conditioning enhances elasticity. Deep conditioning nourishes your hair with essential nutrients and moisture and works to enhance the flexibility of your strands. As a result, your hair becomes more pliable, less susceptible to breakage, and easier to smooth and style. Deep conditioning promotes growth and length retention. Deep conditioning provides nourishment and strength to your strands. It creates an ideal environment for the growth of healthy hair. Deep conditioning reduces breakage, helps prevent split ends, and enhances overall hair health. Deep conditioning enables your hair to flourish and become more resilient and grow longer. When you add regular deep conditioning to your hair care routine, you will start to see more noticeable growth and length retention. Now, let me show you how to deep condition to get the maximum benefits and results. But first, let me introduce myself. Hey guys, it's your girl Tamika, your online hair care teacher. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you how to care for and grow your own hair. Please subscribe for classes and videos all about hair care so that you can empower yourself and grow the hair of your dreams. I'll be using Lengthy Strands Mega Moisture Deep Penetrating Conditioner to show you how to easily do this ultimate method of deep conditioning your hair for maximum moisture, growth, and length retention. Check out my site, lengthystrands.com, to purchase. I'll put the links below. This conditioner is thick and rich, and it provides intense moisture for even the driest, most coarse hair. It softens and smooths the hair, making it more manageable. The detangling properties of this conditioner provides mega slip to help cut down the time spent detangling your hair. Using this rich conditioner will provide you with moisture, softness, and smoothness that will last beyond shampoo day. Using this conditioner regularly will help your strands remain moisturized longer and combat breakage, helping you retain the length that grows in. You can do this in the shower as well. Start with soaking wet hair, as the conditioner is thick and the water helps it spread nicely over your hair. I have sprayed my hair with water to get it ready. Using the same sections I use in the shower, I'm going to release a section of hair and apply a good amount of the conditioner to my strands. When you are doing this, apply starting at the roots and work the conditioner down the hair shaft. Be sure to condition the roots well, especially if you are stretching your relaxer or transitioning from relaxed to natural, to keep the line of demarcation free from breakage. Apply the conditioner all over the section, making sure to apply a little extra to the ends of your hair. Remember, growing hair and length retention is all about keeping the oldest part of your hair, which are the ends, from breaking. This conditioner will help with that. Work the conditioner into your strands from root to tip, going in a downward motion to prevent your hair from retangling. Once each and every strand is coated with conditioner, twist and dredge the conditioner in and twist the section up and away. I'm going to do the exact same thing for the next section. If at any time you miss putting conditioner on a spot, you can separate that area and apply the conditioner directly to the place where it is missing. Now that you've finished coating your hair with conditioner, dredge and twist the conditioner into the hair to assure that every single strand is being coated and nourished. And then you can clip it away. Now, moving on to the back. I'm rewetting this section to help the conditioner spread, and since this section is thicker than the front sections, I'll be separating the section into two to be sure that all of the hair gets coated with conditioner. Take a good amount of conditioner and apply it starting at the roots and working down the hair shaft. Work the conditioner in and don't forget to apply a little extra to the ends. Do the other part the same way, and once finished, twist and dredge the conditioner into the hair to be sure every strand is coated. Do the same for the rest of your sections, and be sure to apply a little extra to the nape and edges as well. Now it's time for the deep conditioning process. Place a plastic cap over your hair and sit under a hooded dryer for at least 25 minutes. You can also sit under a steamer for 25 minutes if you choose, but without the plastic cap. Now, back to the shower for the final rinse. When rinsing the conditioner, use the warmest water possible to rinse. This is because the product needs to be completely rinsed from your hair so it won't feel weighed down. This conditioner is formulated to penetrate deep, and the conditioners in it are designed to stick to the hair. Your hair will feel moisturized, soft, and smooth after you have rinsed it out. Continue to rinse with warm water until the conditioner is thoroughly and completely rinsed from your hair. During this final rinse, it's a great time to completely detangle your hair. Run the water over your hair and gently work the tangles out from the ends of your hair and work your way up. You will find that your detangling brush will easily glide through your hair. Continue to rinse out the conditioner until it is thoroughly and completely rinsed from your hair. Repeat the warm rinse and detangling process until the conditioner is thoroughly rinsed from each section. Lengthy strand shampoo and conditioner can be used as often as needed to help revitalize your hair and prevent breakage. The more you use our products, the healthier and more manageable your hair will become. I'm going to continue doing the same thing for each section, rinsing with warm water and detangling under the water with my detangling brush from the ends up. After you have completely rinsed the conditioner from each section, you will proceed to your normal after conditioning routine. For me, I do occasional silk presses, but for the most part, I'm preparing my hair for protective styles. I hope that you benefit greatly from the things I have talked about and that you decide to add deep conditioning to your regular hair care routine. I know for sure when done properly, the benefits will help your hair retain maximum moisture and you will be retaining hair like never before. Don't forget to check out the description for product links and go to my site, lengthystrands.com, to learn more about my hair care line and to purchase the conditioner featured in this video. Also, hit the like and subscribe. I love you all. Thanks for watching, and God bless.